Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this problem, it is asked that at what angle will the electrons, example 16 of electric charge and electric field, leave the uniform electric field at the end of the parallel plates, that is point P in figure 41. Assume the plates are 4.9 centimeters long. E value is given to us, V naught value is given to us, and it is said that we have to ignore the fringing of the field. So here is the diagram given to us, and we need to calculate the theta. So for that, we know that tan theta is actually given by V by V naught. Yes, that is nothing but this is perpendicular upon base, right? So V upon V naught. So we don't know, we only know V naught, right? But we don't know V. So for that, from equation of motion, we can find the V value for V, that is related between V and V naught. Yes, but the thing is we don't know A also. We know S also, which is 4.9 centimeters. So you can say that is 0.049 meter, right? So equation of motion we will use, but for getting the value of A, right, we will just say that the force acting on the electron will be what? F equals to EE. That's it. That means the charge and multiplied with electric field, right, value, then we'll get the force, right? So for that, uh, we also know A is equals to F by MA, right? So F is nothing but EE by ME. So this will give us what? This will give us acceleration. So acceleration value is nothing but 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. These are the given values, remember, right? So here it will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 9 into 5.0 into 10 to the power 3 divided by ME, that is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. This will give me what? Let me calculate. This is 1.6 into 5 divided by 9.1. So that will be into this is 19, this is 3, that means this becomes minus 16, and minus 16 plus 31 is what? It will be 10 to the power 15, right? So after multiplying, we will get all the values, like this will make it as 8.79 into 10 to the power 14 here, right? So this is meter per second square. Alright, so we got the acceleration as well. So we will be getting here V as V equals to nothing but this will be square root of V naught square. V naught square is what? 1.00 into 10 to the power 7, that is whole square, plus 2 into, we have got here A, value of A, that is acceleration, 8.79 into 10 to the power 14, right? And this will be multiplied with distance, right? That is 0.049. Alright, so after solving, we will get the value of V as, so the value becomes 1.364 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second here. Okay, so this is it about this problem. But one more thing is there, we need to calculate for tan theta, right? So the angle will be as I discussed above, that it should be theta equals to tan inverse V by V naught, that is perpendicular upon base according to the diagram. So it must be equals to tan inverse 1.364 into 10 to the power 7. So this will be what? This must be V naught should be 1.00 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. So this cut-offs. So this will give us what? The angle will be simply tan 1.364. I'm sorry, this is tan inverse, right? Tan inverse 1.364. This will give me 53 point, theta is nothing but 53.753 degree. So this is it about this problem. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching.